Ganja and Zion reggae, your man. When the morning sky turn gold, crown of light your hand unfold. Rise upon the mountain's crest, give the weary soul a rest. Every color in the sky, speak the truth that never die. Glory shining bright and new, crown of morning light break through. No more sorrow, no more chain, morning crown erase the pain. Traveler weary find his way, guided by the break of day. Shadow vanish, night is gone, crown of light still shining on. Every tear dry from the face, morning crown restore the grace. Every step up, holy song, light of Jah will keep them strong. Stone of Babylon start to fall, morning crown redeem them all. Shine with golden flame, birds of Zion call your name. City wall no longer high, morning crown uplift the sky. Soldier lady, weapon down, rising stead to wear the crown. Glorious fire, pure and bright, crown of Jah a guiding light. Trumpet sound across the land, morning crown by Jah hand. Generations standing on, morning crown fulfill the law. From the elder to the youth, crown of light reveal the truth. No corruption, no disguise, morning crown before the eyes. Justice flowing, mercy sing, morning light crown Jah King. Everlasting, bold and true, morning crown for me and you. Eternal, never fade, by Jah power it was made. Every nation go and see, morning crown of victory. Earth rejoicing, sky proclaim, crown of light exalt Jah name. New creation dawn so near, morning crown forever here. Shine, shine, morning flame, crown of glory Jah name. Rise, rise, break the night, morning crown bring the light. Glow, glow, never cease, crown of light declare the peace. Crown of morning light, bold and true, guide the people, carry through. Never fading, never fall, crown of light, bless them all. Forever glowing, pure and bright, crown of Zion, morning light on the mountain, in the plain, morning crown forever reign. Rasta man is so high, man. Now when the thunder roll across the plain, Babylon tremble in the rain. righteous call. No more crown upon falsehood, no more system feeding dread. People gather, voices rise, thunder open blinded eyes. Soldiers march but heart is weak, thunder make the silence speak. Ancient drum in rhythm strong, carry justice all along. Chain them break with mighty roar, thunder shake the city core. Fire flash, truth reveal, Babylon kingdom no unseal. Oh. Hear the trumpet, hear the cry, Babylon towers start to die. Thunder roll across the sea, calling out to set them free. Every elder lift a hand, see the judgment flood the land. Lightning paint the sky so wide, Zion people stand with pride. Sword, thunder bring the living word. Mighty sound of Jah declare, freedom rising everywhere. Nation bow, nation sing, thunder call for righteous king. Babylon wall fall to dust, thunder teach them truth and trust. Roll, roll, thunder cry, shake the earth, split the sky. Fall, fall, kingdom wall. Thunder sound for one and all. Thunder over Babylon, break the chain, wash away the bloody stain. Truth come down like heavy rain. Thunder call again, again, forever roaring. Mighty strong, thunder sing Jah holy song. Jah bless the people, yeah man. In the circle gather round, roots of the drum shake the ground. Heartbeat rhythm, ancient tone, carved in wood, eternal stone. Every strike a sacred flame, every beat exalt Jah name. From the forest, from the earth, drum proclaim the holy birth. Away. Voices rise in harmony, drum beat set the spirit free. Not of weapon, not of war, drum unite the near and far. Call the people, guide them way, roots of drum still play today. Sound eternal, sound divine, drum a lifeline every time away. Dance begin, the circle wide, drum connect them side by side. Suffer a smile, warrior sing, roots of drum a holy thing. Through the desert, through the rain, drum repeat the ancient strain. Generations carry strong, drum beat right the timeless song. Even when the night is cold, roots of drum beat strong and bold. Even when the chain them bind, still the rhythm free the mind. Every echo tell the tale.
prevail. Roots unbroken, pure and true. Drum remind what people knew. Boom, boom, steady flow. Roots of drum forever grow. Beat, beat, sacred line. Roots of drum, eternal sign. Roots of the drum, strong and clear. Carry the message year to year. Never fading, never gone. Roots of drum still play on. Forever sounding loud and free. Roots of drum for unity. Oh, way, 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 oh, way. Oh, way, 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 way.
Ay, ay, ay. Zion is so high, man. Mountain rising, Zion land. Holy work of Jah, and it touched the sky, it touched the flame. Zion mountain called Jah name. No Babylon can shake the ground. Zion mountain all around, forever standing pure and true. Zion mountain carry you. Zion mountain tall and strong. Echo holy Jah song. Every stone a holy flame. Zion mountain praise his name. It crown the valley, crown the sea. Zion mountain destiny forever holy, never gone. Zion mountain shining strong. It guard the children, guard the meek. Zion mountain all hearts seek, forever rising pure and wide. Zion mountain holy tide, we climb it in the morning sun. Zion mountain never done, it blaze eternal, never fall. Zion mountain fee all, forever glowing pure and true. Zion mountain carry you, it rise the people, rise the land. Zion mountain by Jah, and it stand eternal, strong and wide. Zion mountain holy guide, no Babylon can shake the stone. Zion mountain stand alone, forever holy, bright and free. Zion mountain destiny, it lift the spirit, lift the song. Zion mountain just strong. Zion mountain still remain, forever holy, never cease. Zion mountain bring Jah peace, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion mountain show Jah way, eternal rising tall and long. Zion mountain Jah song, stand high, stand free. Zion mountain majesty, no chain, no wall can pull it down. Zion mountain wear the crown. Zion mountain tall and strong. Echo holy Jah song. Every stone a holy flame. Zion mountain praise his name, from age to age,
Yeah, man.
Road to Zion, pure and wide. Jah guide me every stride. It shine with truth, it shine with flame. Zion Road, exalt his name. No Babylon can block the way. Zion Road, here to stay. Forever holy, strong and true. Zion Road, carry you. Zion Road, clear and bright. Guide the soul into Jah light. Every mile, a holy flame. Zion Road, praise his name. It called the humble, guide the meek. Zion Road, all hearts seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion Road, shining strong. It climbed the hill, it crossed the sea. Zion Road, eternity. Forever steady, pure and long. Zion Road, just song. Me tried it in the morning sun. Zion Road, never done. It guide the people, guide the land. Zion Road, by Jah hand, forever shining, pure and true. Zion Road, carry you. No Babylon can hide the flame. Zion Road, call his name. It stretch eternal, far and near. Zion Road, forever clear, forever glowing, never cease. Zion Road, bring Jah peace. It guide the children, guide the youth. Zion Road, Jah truth, eternal highway, strong and free. Zion Road, destiny. When the trumpet sound again, Zion Road still remain. Forever holy, never fall. Zion Road, bless us all. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion Road, show Jah way. Eternal walking, pure and long. Zion Road, just song. Step high, step true. Zion Road for me and you. No chain, no wall can turn we back. Zion Road, keep we track. Zion Road, clear and bright. Guide the soul into Jah light. Every mile, a holy flame. Zion Road, praise his name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion Road, still carry on. Na na na, deep meditate your man. Crown of Zion, bright and pure. Holy blessing that endure. It shine with fire, shine with flame. Zion crown, exalt his name. No Babylon can take away. Zion crown, forever stay. Forever holy, strong and true. Zion crown, belong to you. Zion crown, blaze so bright, shine crown, shining strong. It guide the nation, guide the man. Zion crown, Jah plan, forever glowing, pure and long. Zion crown, Jah song, me see it blaze in morning sun. Zion crown, never done, it shine eternal, never fall. Zion crown for all, forever holy, pure and true. Zion crown carry you, no Babylon can dim the flame. Zion crown, call Jah name, it rise eternal, shine so high. Zion crown, fill the sky, forever glowing, never cease. Zion crown, bring Jah peace. It crown the mountain, crown the sea. Zion crown, eternity, eternal shining, strong and free. Zion crown, destiny. When the trumpet sound again, Zion crown still remain, forever holy, never fall. Zion crown bless us all, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion crown show Jah way, eternal blazing, pure and long. Zion crown, Jah song, shine high, shine true. Zion crown, for me and you, no chain, no hand can take it down. Zion crown, Jah crown, Zion crown, blaze so bright, shine eternal, holy light. Every jewel, a holy flame. Zion crown, call Jah name, from age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion crown still carry on.
Aye, 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 I am Reggae man. Aye, 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 Zion Reggae man. Blow across the desert wide, wind of freedom, holy guide. Carry voices, lift the song, break the chain that held too long. No one see it, still it's real. Wind of Zion start to heal. Every whisper, every breath. Wind of life, defeat of death. Banner wave upon the hill. Wind of Jah fulfill the will. Shout of youth, cry of poor. Wind of justice shake the door. Iron bars them swing aside. Wind of freedom flood the tide. Every nation hear the sound. Wind of mercy spread around. Not of sword, not of fire. Wind uplift the soul higher. Gentle breeze and mighty storm. Wind of Zion still transform. Dust of war swept away. Wind of peace declare the day. Tear them wall, lift the veil. Wind of truth will never fail. Sailor guide, prophet sing. Wind announce, Jah King. Whisper soft yet strong and clear. Wind of Zion always near. Babylon try to hold it back. Still the wind, stay on track. Flow eternal, bold and free. Wind of love for destiny. Blow, blow, mighty sound. Lift the people off the ground. Rise, rise, spirit strong. Wind of Zion, carry on. Wind of liberation, free and true. Blow the chains away. stopping, never still. Wind of Zion guide your will, forever flowing, high and strong. Wind of freedom, carry song.
Ay, 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 Zion a reggae, yeah, man. Sweetest melody ever sing, song of Zion echo bring, carry word of peace and love, straight from heaven up above. It healed the hurt, it calmed the soul. Song of Zion make man whole, from drum to harp, from heart to hand. Song of Jah fill all the land. Song of Zion, pure and strong. Sing it loud, sing it long. Every nation, every tongue, join the song that must be sung. It called the children home again. It wash away the grief and pain. It rise the heart, it lift the mind. Song of Zion, always kind. No hate, no war, can silence sound. Song of Zion, all around. Forever chant, forever play. Song of Jah, both night and day. It echo through the mountainside. Song of Zion, never hide. It chant the truth, it chant the flame. Every note called Jah true name. It bind the people hand in hand. Song of love across the land. No chain can stop, no wall divide. Song of Zion always guide. Me hear it when the night is still. Song of Zion bless me will. It sing of hope, it sing of peace. It make the troubled heart release. It teach the youth, it bless the old. Song of Zion never cold. Every verse a prayer so deep. Song of Jah our soul will keep. When the morning light arise, song of Zion fill the skies. It never end, it never fade. Song eternal Jah has made, from root of man to crown above. Song of Zion, sing of love, forever true, forever strong. Song of Zion, carry on. Sing high, sing free. Song of Zion, unity. No hate, no war can stop the sound. Song of Jah, all around. Song of Zion, pure and strong. Sing it loud, sing it long. Every nation, every tongue, join the song that must be sung. From first note to endless time. Song of Zion, ever shine.
Jamaica, Jamaica, Kingston, cushion of the paper.
Me walk on earth like ancient tree, roots deep down in history. Me crown lock up, me spirit free. Me face the sun, me bend fi breeze. Me eyes not blind, me sight not dim. Me drink the herb, me sing a hymn. Mountains whisper, rivers talk. Me soul awaken when me walk. Me no in a rush, me take me time. Every moment is Jah design. Me light the chalice, inhale peace. Exhale worries, let trouble cease. Me hear the call of ancestors. Them guide me through the stormy waters. Me chanting at the early dawn. Meditate
Me build bridge, me plant seed, me water tree, me do good deed. Love are the only real law, the only one me ever saw. Me not carry no vanity, just a bag full of humility. So when breeze blow and leaves a fall, me still hear just silent call. Me spirit dance like burning flame. Me know who I am, me know me name. Rasta live, Rasta lead. Me heart clean, me soul a feed. Me path simple, me steps true and jagadi in all me do. Jah guide me.
Zion Reggae, yeah man.
Zion ever pure, not of silver, not of gold, but of love from days of old. Upon it sit the King of Peace. Justice flow and war must cease. Every heart bow down and pray. Throne of Zion guide the way. Throne of Zion bright and high. Lift the people to the sky. No man rule but Jah alone. Throne eternal, holy throne. It rests upon the mountainside. Strong foundation, deep and wide. Prophets stand and angels sing. Crown of glory Jah will bring. No liar, thief, or wicked plan can touch the throne of righteous man. Forever firm, forever true. Throne of Zion shine for you. It judge with love, it judge with care. No injustice enter there. It raise the meek, it lift the low. Throne of Zion always show. Every law is carved in light. Every truth is burning bright. Seat of mercy, seat of song. Throne of Jah forever strong. Me dream at night, me vision clear. Throne of Zion always near. It called the tribe to walk upright, to keep Jah law both day and night. It bless the elder, bless the youth, guide them forward into truth. Every step the people take, Throne of Zion pathway make. When the trumpet sound on high, Throne of Zion fill the sky. Every knee shall bow in love. Throne of Jah from heaven above. From first to last, from now to end. Throne of Zion ever friend. Glory shine, no shadow fall. Throne of Jah is overall. Stand tall, don't fall. Throne of Zion rule them all. No king of earth, no crown of clay. Jah alone have throne to stay. Throne of Zion bright and high. Lift the people to
bless the world. Me rise up early, sun in me eye. Me hear Jah whisper from the sky. Them say go slow, but me can't wait. The fire in me roots, nah hesitate. Babylon build walls round with soul, but me say love break every control. Them say follow the dollar, me say no. Me follow the river, me let it flow. Me granny say, youth mind your way, but me say granny, the system stray. Me nah fit in a the rat race. Me say truth live in a Jah face. Them want silence, me say vice. Them want fear, me say choice. Me say rebel heart, me say flame. Me chant freedom in a Jah name. Fire in a roots, me say blaze. Through the darkness, through the maze. Babylon crumble, we stand tall. Jah soldiers never fall. Fire in a roots, me say rise. Like this city, like these skies. Me say unity, me say sound. Jah music shake the ground. Them put cameras on me street. Them say me dangerous cause me speak. But me lyrics nah bend, nah break. Me say rebel love, nah fake. Me say chant down every chain. Me say dance inna the rain. Me say uplift me brother, me say heal. Me say freedom song real. Me say no machine can kill soul. Me say no wall can block gold. Me say from Kingston to Berlin, rebel voice still ring. Them say me too loud, me say louder. Them say me too proud, me say prouder. Me say Jah guide every step. Me say me nah have no regret. Listen now, can you hear it clear? The sound of freedom draw near. Me say march pon the street with drum. Me say Babylon time done. Me say heart over weapon. Me say truth over deception. Me say one love inna the crowd. Me say chant it strong, chant it loud. Fire in our roots, me say blaze. Through the darkness, through the maze. Babylon crumble, we stand tall. Just soldiers never fall. Fire in our roots, me say rise. Like this city, like the skies. Me say unity, me say sound. Jah music shake the ground. Me say from Africa plain to Caribbean sea, the rebel song set we free. Me say no chain palm me mind. Me say leave Babylon behind. Me say children dance, elders smile. Me say walk free every mile. Me say no more war for oil. Me say plant seed in a soil. Me say turn up the sound system. Me say rebel music wisdom. Me say heal the wound with vibe. Me say live free, me say thrive. So me walk with fire in a me step. Me say love is all me rep. Me say roots deep in the ground. Me say hear it now, rebel sound.
Aye, aye, aye. Ganja with Zion music, yeah man. Before the sun peak over hill, me hear the earth so calm, so still. Bird a sing them holy song. Tell the world fi right the wrong. Me stretch me hand to Jah above. Feel the warmth of perfect love. Me light me fire, me brew me tea. Morning in Zion set me free. Morning in a Zion, breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. Me walk the path through garden gate. Herb in bloom, me give thanks great. Me see the elder upon the stone. Chant and reason both Jah throne. The youth them gather, smile so wide. Morning light in a them pride. No Babylon chain can bind. Zion dwell in heart and mind. The mountain mist start drift away. Reveal the hills in gold array. The goats them climb the river shine. Every sign a Jah design. Me hear Naya Bingy drum from far, calling we to who we are. Morning bring the truth again. Zion life run through me vein. Rise up, morning call. Stand tall, Rasta never fall. Chalice burn, vibration high. Praise Jah sun in the sky. Every leaf and every tree tell the story naturally. No man can dim Jah light. Morning push away the night. Me reach the clearing where people meet, sharing fruit and bread so sweet. Children dance in the morning ray. No worry, just pure play. Me pass the herb from hand to hand. One love circle pon the land. Morning time me feel so blessed. Zion spirit make me rest. Before the noon me lift me song. Fi keep the day both bright and strong. Every chant a seed we sow. In Jah garden it will grow. Morning in Zion never fade. It's the start of works we made. Me hold this light till day is done. Zion shine like the rising sun. Morning in a Zion, breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. Morning in a Zion, pure and bright. Guide we through the day and night.
Zion echoes, calling all in a the bubats. Yeah man. Jah herb, Jah love lift me soul so high. Ganja fire blazing reach up to the sky. Chant the psalm, the truth can't lie. With the rhythm of Jah, me not deny. Roll the Mali strain, make the fire ignite. Inna the darkness, Jah bring the light. The herb a power, the wicked can fight. Jah wisdom pure, it shining bright. Me sing for the sufferer, the broken chain. Reggae melody soothe the pain. From trench town struggles to Zion gain. The herb a make we spirits sustain. Pass the chalice, chant the holy word. The message of peace, let it be heard. Inna the ghetto where the youth them stirred. The ganja fire make the open furred. Jah herb, Jah love lift me soul so high. Ganja fire blazing reach up to the sky. Chant the psalm, the truth can't lie. With the rhythm of Jah, me not deny. Me see the tears in a mama's eye. The system cruel, them can't deny. The ganja garden and me reply. Selassie I guide me, just spirit high. Light up the sour diesel, the essence pure. Healing the nations, Jah Herb secure. The Babylon system can't obscure. With Jah inna me heart, me spirit sure. From the hilltop, the fire burn bright. The herb a make me vision insight. The rhythm a chant, me soul take flight. Selassie I bless me through the night. The herb a the healing, the love can't end. Jah guide, we make the spirit mend. With the reggae rhythm, the vibes transcend. One love, one herb, make the fire ascend. Jah herb, Jah love lift me soul so high. Ganja fire blazing reach up to the sky. Chant the psalm, the truth can't lie. With the rhythm of Jah, me not deny. Build with chain and pain. Them skyline shine but soul feel drain. Concrete jungle drown you dreams, but roots grow still beneath them schemes. Them pave the road with promises fake. Them drown we deep in Babylon lake, but me heart hold ancient vision. Beat steady in Jah's provision. See the preacher, see the banker smile. Them sell lie in corporate style. Me na born fi obey no man. Me born fi chant till chains began. Roots over steel, me say again. Roots find crack, reach fi rain. Though towers rise high and proud, roots are whisper strong and loud. Them can't bury truth under stone. Roots find way, even alone. Crack the wall, tear the plan. Roots arise and beat Babylon. Roots over steel, soul over gold. Fire in a we from days of old. We chant, we rise, we heal, we feel. Always roots, always real. Roots over steel, Jah over crown. Tear the illusion down. We not bow, we not kneel. Roots stand firm over steel. Them dig and dig fi tech and fame, but never find Jah's hidden flame. Me walk barefoot pon earth soil. Me spirit free, no machine spoil. Them call we backward, them scan we way, but roots stronger than systems play. Roots in we vice, roots in we hand. Roots in we dreams, roots in the land. No textbook teach the rhythm we know. Roots whisper when Babylon slow. Them can't plug out Jah vibration. Roots stronger than plantation. Them can't bury truth under stone. Roots find way, even alone. Crack the wall, tear the plan. Roots arise and beat Babylon. Roots over steel, soul over gold. Fire in a we from days of old. We chant, we rise, we heal, we feel. Always roots, always real. Roots over steel, Jah over crown. Tear the illusion down. We not bow, we not kneel. Roots stand firm over steel. rhythm of earth beat na me chest. Me feel Jah calling from the crest. Each step higher, me sight more wide. Babylon fade when Jah reside. Me reach the peak, me lift me on. Give thanks for life and Jah creation grand. Mountain chant, me spirit rise. Prayer fly up to the skies. Lion roar inna the wind. Zion call me from within. Me see the river sneak below, flowing truth where all man know. The trees them sway in a sacred time. Every branch speaking holy rhyme. Me nah need gold, me nah need crown. Just the hills where pull me down. Me breathe the air so clean, so free. Zion giving me family. Me trod with brethren by me side. Each a warrior humbling pride. We carry drum and carry flame. We chant and praise Jah holy name. We set up camp where breeze blows strong. We reason deep till the night is long. Me feel Jah power in every tone. Each sharp the drum for him alone. Mountain chant, me spirit rise. Prayer fly up to the skies. Lion roar inna the wind. Zion call me from within. Step by step me trod for I. No turning back, no asking why. The chalice burn, the heart are pure. Each breath me take me over cure. Me hold the faith, me hold the ground. Each chant take our mountain sound. No man can buy the view me see. It's Jah creation set me free. Irie wind blowing on me dread. Pure meditation fill me head. From dawn till dark me nah retreat. Me keep me trot to Jah see. Morning come and sunlight break. Bird a sing and earth awake. Me pick some herb from mountainside. Herbal blessing Jah provide. Me sip me tea and give thanks more. Fi health, fi love, fi open door. And when me step back down again, me carry mountain in a me brain. Mountain chant, me spirit rise. Prayer fly up to the skies. Lion roar inna the wind. Zion call me from within. Mountain chant till the morning dew. Zion path me always true. Zion reggae, yeah man. Oh, Ay, 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 ay. Zion reggae, yeah man. Freedom rising, Zion land. Gift of Jah, His mighty hand. It break the chain, it loose the tie. Zion freedom never die. No Babylon can hold me down. Zion freedom, wear the crown. Forever rising, pure and true. Zion freedom, carry you. Zion freedom, strong and long. Every heart beat Jah song. Every breath a holy flame. Zion freedom, praise His name. It guide the humble, lift the meek.
chain, it break the wall. Zion freedom, feel forever glowing, pure and bright. Zion freedom, Jah light, it rise eternal, never cease. Zion freedom, bring Jah peace. It call the children, call the man. Zion freedom, Jah plan, forever flowing, pure and wide. Zion freedom, holy tide, no Babylon can take away. Zion freedom, here to stay. It shine eternal, strong and free. Zion freedom, destiny. Trumpet sound again. Zion freedom still remain, forever holy, never fall. Zion freedom bless us all, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion freedom show Jah way, eternal rising, pure and strong. Zion freedom, Jah song.